This is Max from Max Craft Shack, and tonight we are preparing to do a paint pour, Dutch pour thing on this platter, and you'll just have to be patient with me. I'll have to walk to and fro several times, and I just wanted to start you off early and get you ready because I'm going to be putting something very beautiful right here. So just be patient and hang in there with me. You can fast forward, but I just wanted to get you in on the early goings of this because I think this is going to be very pretty, and I want you to see from start to finish. Now I already have my paints mixed up, okay? So let me get those out of the way. I am just choosing colors that I think, my background is going to be black, okay? So I'm just choosing colors that I think will look good. I'm going to be, my gloves are too big, doggone it. In every pour I have to put a little bit of purple. And I'm doing what's called a Dutch pour, so that is a little different than a regular paint pour or a dirty pour. You'll see I use the blow dryer to move it around after I get it on there. First thing I'm going to do is coat this with black, just solid black, and because my base is going to be about black. So I'm just going to really just pour some on there, smooth it around with my hand, make sure I have enough. It's going to drip off the side, and I know that's wasteful, but that's just the way paint pouring is. All forms of paint pouring are this way. It just is what it is. So we just have to get used to that and either be able to deal with it or not. So that's just the way it is. And if you don't mind me singing, that's the way it is. Now I have it taped off here because I don't want it to get to my underside. I've already painted the underside a coat of solid color, and I'm going to put a Lazy Susan thing on here so it goes around and round, okay? So let me hit it with the torch to get rid of some of these bubbles. Gets bubbles in it when you pour it, you shake it up, which I have to do. So I could probably stand to put a little more black on there. Don't know if I'm gonna. Of course I am. Just a little bit. Maybe try to spread it around with my doohickey and not get my hands so dirty. Of course it had stuff in it, which it doesn't matter. It's fine. It's fine. Okay, I have base painted the wood. So alright, here we go. Now, what we're going to do now is we're going to just do a thin line across here, and we're going to do some colors, okay? So, I don't know, I don't have a rhyme or a reason as to why I'm doing the colors I'm doing and what intervals. I'm just doing these colors. I'm just singing while I'm doing it. Here's some white. And some green. Do a little bit of green because the green tends to take over. The green is kind of bossy, and I'm putting up every color because when I blow with the blow dryer, it gets kind of loud. And I have this red kind of, and it has not played nice with me today. It has sunk to the bottom. I'm going to leave it out because I may use some more of it on the top. And then the way you do this is you just pour the black all the way around, again, wasting so much paint. Okay, so that's what you do. I'm going to put these aside, and I'm going to get the blow dryer. Here I go. Here I go. Here I go. Here I go. No. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to blow the black over this, and then I'm going to blow it out. So here we go. It's going to be noisy with the blow dryer, but just hang in there with me. I'm going to torch it. Absolutely get the bubbles out, and then sometimes it helps the cells to pop up. It's still dripping paint, and it's going to keep moving, okay? It's going to keep moving. I'm really not too mad about this. I'm going to get you in for a close-up. I'm not mad about it at all. Y'all, look at these things that are happening in this tray. Some people don't like the black background. Kind of see the grays and the pinks. See it from far beyond. Far beyond! But, what I'll do is I'll let this dry, and then I'll put a coat of something over it. But y'all, tell me what you think. Leave comments in the comment section. But you don't have to be mean. Just be nice. Love one another. It's more than just a suggestion. I love the purple that's popping up, y'all. Also, I do want to say, and I'm inspired by Ashley Chauvin on Show Me Chauvin. Listen, y'all, you're not alone. And if you need somebody, call on somebody. Reach out to somebody. There's always somebody willing to help. Depression is real. Suicide is real. Be a minute-to-minute badass. That's what I'm saying. Make it from minute to minute. If that's all you can do, minute to minute. Come on, y'all. You can do this. So, the blue you see here is the blue tape, the painter's tape that I have, hopefully protecting the backside. And I like this kind of blank space back here, but y'all know I'm already, I've told you 100 times, I'm ADHD, and, so, yes, reach out, be there for somebody, or reach out for somebody if you need them. Okay, y'all, this is Mac and Mac Shack, signing off for now. Love one another, and, sorry this was, you know, I was walking in front of the camera and everything, but, ooh, look at that little dot. Anyway, we'll see. I think this is going to be a beautiful, platter. It's going to go in a Lazy Susan. It's going to get a resin coating. I love it. Y'all, Mac Shack signing out. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. My Instagram is 3 Blessed Chicks. I also have a Facebook page, 3 Blessed Chicks. I'll put that in the description below. I'm not that good at links, but we'll see what we can do. Okay, y'all. Here we signing off. Love one another. And do the right thing.